from Yelbong Lee, Yelbong family. Kuyu Ren, tapi sorong kuyu Ren sa Sijok last day kuyu entire wrong system family lam you tribute ACP ona kuyu gun wrong ni mom donggu mo lam na ren ka kuyu last kuyu kami pubam areka kuyu sa Yelbo Ingram Kusukat Ronglom Kam Turuk Buddhist Dinago Rapin Siso
Rungju anak yang sin tukyong renju sito teburin atuk zamyong mu rongkut sa aci sakon ka nam yogati kukyot thap pilitip sam nadiano angthok yetep tumu saknyung sakyo an chidep kayu sakyom renjong zongbu sa lingtep yung ka yek kubu tebu thala rongkuk mondol an tebu nangkit rongmit satadikuk tebu ren atuk zamyong mo rongkuk sa amak ka semso pengan mo Chizongbu Bolonbu and Zengdiabu Tebu atuk rongkuk re renjong zanata parisat tembusa ongdu yuka zongbu rongzung dongthosa chimgin rongzung bi ongdu dokshim bubu dum nampur gyokati kukyot thap kukyok thep kukyot naliana gyokati kukyot thap kukyot thep kuli rensa yen tuka henen punjok en warto en langpat duksong bongchi sa gen nyungru dep songmo adusa tiklon en tapit kongka tuklobu tarwot en nimong riung tongklong anyeng nyamni dep kencho darjudang sa siwot bu mau harmon chulika yetoi dendeng alun Ilani sa Birla Institute of Technology and Science ka Chemical Engineering Rockland Lung Lot BALLB Song Lung Mangan sa Yangde Kim Genli ka Kim Airpon sa Gen Song Mo Renan Yenten Sat Yuktorem Kudu sa Imong Un Bortoplong Ting Tong Sat Yep Mo Nampol Gyokati Kukyotap Kukyok tip kukyok na yun Gyokati kukyok tap kukyok tip kukyok tit Renan punjok bongsi sedang range officer sa Gen Song Mo Lumyo anat yang tin sa bongtok bu Tidok sa diuka Renan Rejung liang ka Kokdo amobo Miso Mitop Taluk sa Tarjeng Batu Tuklok Sibu Menglim bongbot Kedik sa taluk ka renta duktian men ACT rem segbor chong kian set yuka gyurmu serenan bongtin mu khok lengling lengtolat jothong en michok kimso rong sikem kubar sa teknen yabu rensa golong sedang ACT concern lepcha of Sikkim en zonggu sa sangga songneng Totong seng lut satyagraha kiplon mo bongtok sa BL House ka sekim gyokukyot kati fumutap sa itchong alok kalenpung ang darjunang ka sekim gyokat sa itchong alok al Delhi sa Jantar Mantar ka sekim net sa darnapong yekmo itlago sa tselfili tong ACP sa anyim UNESCO Paris ka kilsa Arinan sedumlat alok sa Juliu. Teburin atuk rongkut sa golon ka politika mengling pedik pong abriang ka rengpi regel rongyong en linja pong Thok Tit Mu and Gundin Kitlok Bu 300 megawatt Pronum Hydro Project Alobatit Koktomu Arizong Atimbu Aduknan Matba Zonggu Hanzong Atong Sesela Zongtumu Deburin Akayu Sakyung Togrung La Rensa Saktumula Silong Rem Si Pengan Debu Atuk Rong Kupsa Pilunan Kayung Nela Lomu Krasit Ni Rensa Teletmen Kayung Saktum Wansit Ni Kan Rensa Apil Atung Takto Kan Yang Patsa Songlet Yutong Sa Kat Kat Đức Tiên Ka Nela Kayu Dep Azum Tong Sit Ni Mail Yang Sa Pro Kan Kung Pong Nan Nela Rensa Suyun Sakmon Sit Ni Shumat Nugong Kuyusa Apil Dep Đức Tiên Dep Sakdon Dep Ren Pyuto Ni Rensa It Yup Nyu Atong Yang Pat Arisa Yang Kyung Ka Nela Tong Sit Ni Kayu Yang Tok Chi Pusibu Sức Tô Mani Cực Thong Yung Tong Sa Tên Ka Tebu Ren Atuk Rong Cực Nan Nyet Tobu Mixing An Lomu Dasong Kayu Sekala Balok Ni Kayu Lungyu Anut Yang Tenmu ACT Concern Lepcha of Sikkim CLOS Zonggu Sangha SOG Sa Ongku Song Poong An Yang Mu Nong Sa Gun Prong Zum Pong Dung Lung Zathong Ka Somso Pushu and Great On Bu Apil Nan Akit Ngasum Tukon Yong Munok Pushu Kayusa Tom Sumlet Muriel Sa Montiam Tetet Ka Dentok Matbu Zathong Sa Ongdu Song Kala Nangzok Tok Si Pushu Arizong Bu Sakyo Tetet Ka Ibu Rum Nang Zathong Nang Achibu Song Ka Saktopen Sakwat Viteka Densa Rimpuan Bu Apil Nan Pumzu Ka Yuting Pergong Tukon Toksik
Affected citizen of Tista, North Sikkim, Arbitrary. In loving memory of late Ren Athup Samyong Lepcha, 1943 to 2025. With profound grief and deep respect, we mourn the passing of late Ren Athup Samyong Lepcha, son of late Chala Lepcha, Bundle, and late Nangkit Lepcha, born in Indian village of Zongbu, North Sikkim. A distinguished leader and a visionary, late Athup Lepcha was elected as the MLA of Zongbu Assembly Constituency 1979-1984 as a member of the Sikkim Janta Parishad Party. During his tenure, he served with dedication as the Minister for Forest and Environment and Land Revenue Department, where his policies and initiatives reflected his deep concern for sustainable development and the welfare of the people. Educated at the prestigious Mount Hermon School, Darjeeling, and later at the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, where he pursued chemical engineering and later completed BA, LLB and practiced law at the District Court, Mumbai. He combined academic brilliance with an unshakable commitment to his community and the environment. He served as a range officer under the Forest Department from 1977 to 1979. As the founder president of the Affected Citizen of Tista, he spearheaded one of the most significant civil society movements in Sikkim. His unwavering struggle against destructive hydropower project transformed ACT into a global phenomenon, drawing international attention to issues of indigenous rights, ecological preservation and social justice. Under his leadership, ACT, along with the concerned Lepchas of Sikkim and the Sangha of Zongbu, carried out a historic satyagraha, including the historic 915 days hunger strike at BL House, Gangtok, 100 days hunger strike at Kalimpong and Darjeeling, and a 2-day dharna at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. The voice of ACT ultimately reached UNESCO Paris on 4th October 2010, establishing it as a truly global movement. Further, under the leadership of late Ren, 4 hydro projects, namely Ringpi, Rukel, Rongyong, and Lingjia, was scrapped, and the most destructive 300 megawatt Panam hydro project has been stopped so far. Due to this huge achievement, Zongbu is still pristine like before. The legacy of late Ren Atuklipcha is not only written in history, but engraved in the hearts of all who strive for justice, environmental protection, and indigenous dignity. As we mourn his loss, we also celebrate his extraordinary life. His ideals will continue to guide us, his courage will continue to inspire us, and his spirit will remain alive in every struggle to preserve truth, identity, and the sanctity of the land. The hills and dales of Mayalyang shall always remember his sacrifice, for he was one with their spirit, their struggle, and their aspirations. His legacy will continue to echo in every valley and ridge of this sacred land. We have no words to express our thankfulness. We shall continue to follow the vision and path shown by late Ren Atuklipcha for the larger common good. We, the members of affected citizens of Tista, concerned lecturers of Sikkim, the Sangha of Zongbo, and all organizations within the country and abroad, offer our heartfelt condolence to the Bird family and pray for the peaceful rest of the departed soul. We also thank the family members for taking care of our legend while he was under medical care. May Almighty bestow strength upon the family and loved ones to bear this irreparable loss during this difficult time of grief. May his noble soul rest in eternal peace.